Hey everybody, if you need to change the belt or get some clutter out of your vacuum, you're gonna need two Phillips screwdrivers. And you can take out hair and string and lint like that. And it wasn't that difficult. I have a Dirt Devil, and it also has the attachment so that you can like vacuum the sofas and things to get like hair and stuff off of it. Now, when you take the cover off, you're going to see this wheel here with the brushes, and there's your belt right there. And sometimes if the belt stretches out, it won't spin good and it won't clean up. So just be mindful of that. This is the cover on the bottom that you have to take off first. It has a few little screws. If you undo the screws, you can take that off, and then you can get to the belt and you can get to the brushes. Like I said, sometimes you get string or something like that wrapped around it and it won't work. And it's the same thing with this little attachment here. If you have one of these that's supposedly supposed to get animal hair and different things off of your furniture, it has a belt in it. Just take the screwdriver, take it apart, and the same thing. Just kind of declutter it, get the hair and the lint and string from out of there. It should be good. Now, if you have a Dirt Devil like this, make sure the cover is going to stop those wheels from dropping completely down. There's a catch right there. So when you redo it, when you get it back together, you have to be careful of that. So like I was saying, you're going to have a screw on the bottom, and you're also going to have a few more screws. You're going to take that cover off, and all of these are Phillips screwdrivers on this machine right here. There's your wheel, and those are the brushes. And to the right, you're going to see your belt. The belt sits on that section, and it also goes around this little section here. You see that? That's where your belt goes. The motor turns, the belt turns, and it turns your brushes, and that's how it kind of cleans your carpet. So the belt stretches out over time. Sometimes they just snap. But if you have to replace it, it's not a big deal. Just go ahead and take it apart and be careful and be mindful. You don't want to break anything. Most of this stuff is plastic. So you're going to take this out, and there's your belt. It kind of stretches a little bit. So if you had to undo the belt or replace the belt, that's how you get to it. Now, the ends of these things, this is sort of universal the way these things operate. The ends of these things is kind of like a flattened triangle or some odd shape, and you just have to be mindful of the shape and how these things look. And then you're gonna, you know, put the bar back up there and line everything up. If you whatever you have to do, and then once you get the belt on, you stretch it and place it back in there like that. And like I said, be mindful of the ends and how they work and how they situate themselves, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.